Another set of people that will continue to make me laugh are those who believe they know the size and the level of punishment that people deserve when they hurt them. Like, they know within themselves, or they are convinced within themselves that if this person did this to me and hurt me so much, they deserve death. They deserve to just go. People should not see them again. Just because they have hurt you, they should just... It is not for you to decide how big of a sin, or how big a sin is, or how the magnitude of punishment should be. It all depends on what God wants for that person. That's why you hear, God is not from your village. You may wish somebody bad, and God will bless the person. Because there are certain things that you may not have information about. Even if you think they hurt you, and they hurt you that bad, it is obvious they hurt you. You cannot say the size of their punishment. If you like, tell God, I have learned it, because of course, as a human being, I must have done it myself, because this person, the only thing that can really please me is if this person should just lose this thing, lose that thing. That is human. But I have noticed that many times when we ask for such things and wish certain things on people, God will just laugh at us and say, are you their creator? Do you know the plan I have for them already? So before you think that, this person deserves this kind of sin, or this person deserves this kind of punishment, let their God judge. Let their God decide. Because sometimes you will be surprised that if they are with their right standing with their God, they may not get that kind of punishment. And depends on what God wants at that time. He may even punish them beyond what you're saying. So either way, you are not accurate. You may be over asking or under asking. So why don't you just let God decide and punish them the right way?